Do you need a police certificate of character? Then you may be dreading the time it takes to get one. No, you don't have to. You can now apply, pay, and receive your police certificate of character online. That means no appointments, no long lines, or wait times. Save your digital certificate on any device or print and send as needed. Share your certificate in person or by email, as employers and other agencies often require updated information. Apply online from anywhere in the world, conveniently make your payments through EasyPay Plus, and receive your certificate online. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Access Wi-Fi at your local post office to apply online with your device, then pay by cash on the spot. Getting your police certificate of character is now easier, secure, and more efficient. Go digital. Apply, pay, and receive your police certificate of character online. Visit gov.bb/police certificate to apply online today.
We are the Ministry of Innovation, Science and Smart Technology.